The importance of care routines for young children. The comfort of the child is more important than the routines. So, routines should be adapted to the nature of a child. To achieve a good routine practice, the following should be done by caregivers and practitioners. 1. Inform the child or children involved you are about to start a routine. 2. Provide enough time for them to adapt before asking them to follow the routines. 3. Give them room to express their wishes about the routines. You may ask them how they feel about the routines. Make sure you respect their feelings. 4. Pay attention to how children respond and react to the routines in words, facial expressions, and body language. Clothing. Caregivers must choose the right clothes for children. The following factors must be considered when choosing clothes for children. 1. Size. The appropriate sizes should be selected. 2. Weather condition. For hot weather, light clothes, shorts, sun cream, socks and sandals to prevent blisters etc. would be okay. For rainy days, raincoats should be provided, socks, trousers, jumper, etc. On a very cold day, thick clothing, jumper, thick socks, trousers, boots, hats, gloves and scarves should be provided for children. These will provide warmth and shield from the cold weather for them. For a windy day, t-shirts, trousers, socks and shoes, a scarf, coat and hat will be fine for children. Administering safe bedtime. Sleep is very important for children. Caregivers ought to ensure that create a safe environment for children to sleep well. The following sleep safety tips can help. 1. Ensure babies sleep on their backs. 2. No medicine or sharp objects should be on the bed. 3. All toys and objects should not remain on the bed. 4. Bedroom temperature should be kept at 18 to 20 degrees centigrade. 5. The bedding area and room should be clean. 6. The bed should be a cot type to protect a child from falling off the bed. How to get children ready for bedtime. If there is a bedtime routine, it can help children to sleep well. Such bedtime routine could include all or any of the following. Bath time. 1. This helps young children to relax before bed and keep them clean. 2. Water should not be too hot. The weather condition should also be considered. 3. Children must not be left alone when they are in the water to avoid water accidents or possibly drowning. Personal hygiene. 1. Ensure children have a clean nappy. 2. Their teeth should be washed. Clothing and bedding. 1. Pajamas ought to be soft and easy for children to move around with. 2. Provide blankets for covering, especially in freezing seasons. Activities to calm children. 1. Avoid exciting children before bedtime. Things like bouncing on the bed should be discouraged because they can make sleep difficult. 2. A book may be read to children, or a story may be told, or a piece of soft music may be played to stimulate sleep. Grooming children to care for themselves. The essence of childcare is not to make a child dependent forever. Rather, it is to groom a child to become independent in life. It is, therefore, necessary for caregivers and practitioners to create practical learning opportunities for children to learn how to do certain things themselves. In most cases, you would encounter some children who would always want to do things like eating, using the restroom, etc. by themselves. Consider the following tips when trying to allow children to care for themselves. 1. Never discourage children when trying to care for themselves. 2. Provide support for them anytime they make an attempt to do things themselves. It is expected that by age 3 children should be able to do the following themselves. 1. Dress with some assistance from parents or caregivers as the case may be. 2. Go to toilets. 3. Feed and drink without direct help. 4. Learn to tidy up themselves and perform some minor chores. How adults can support children's development. Adults can support the development of self-reliance in young children by 1. Being patient with them and allowing them to attempt some things whenever they make efforts to do so. 2. Give some praise for efforts made by children in doing things themselves. This will boost their confidence next time. 3. Create opportunities for children to help in doing certain things for you, for example helping to pick up some things from a shelf or returning such, asking them to call someone, asking them to pass a simple message to others, finding a missing jigsaw piece, etc.